what's up guys, I'm just doing a quick little vlog here before the comp, and I'm going to be packing up my cubes real quick. Let's get out some cubes in my bag right here. So, as most of you should know, this is not my number one thing, packing my cubes. So I'm going to pack up those real quick, and we'll get started. Oh, there's a quick behind the scenes tour, so I have just some random stuff. I'm working on a Rubik's Cube solving robot, so that's coming out maybe soon, hopefully before Thanksgiving. There's one of my lights. So yeah, I'm just getting packed up. Comment if you saw me at the comp. This is most likely coming out after the comp. So yeah, it's the night before. So excited, my third comp. I'll just do a means and goals too. In the vault. I'm just gonna leave this out because I'll need it. So let me pack up these two things. And let's get moving. Oh, that's my brother joining. He will also be at the comp. Okay, well he stopped. Say hi, Nicholas. Okay, we're in the lift and show.
So much for watching. Just want to give a big shout out for everybody who starred in this video, including the people with the cube tower, which I know you're not allowed to do anymore, but they're still really awesome when they come out. And thanks for everybody who helped me film this video, including people who filmed the solves and featured in the solves. And I'm sorry it's so late, but it took a long time to edit because I'm trying to bump up the video quality. And yeah, so I have a quick average of 5 right here. Hope you enjoy that. So yeah, it's a little late, definitely. But thanks for watching, as usual. Please comment what you think should come out on this channel next. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's hit 50 subscribers for a brand new and voice-over Q&A video. I'm gonna sign off here. Bye.